where you at, dog?
In the studio, nigga.
Yeah, I'm on my way to the studio. Right from the smoking spot, nigga.
Yeah, Mr. Hiri, this is what I was talking about. Yeah. You know, they have been asking who am I. Yeah. But I'm gonna tell who am I. Yeah. Listen up, the T to the heads. Yeah. Am I the 143 Pesalem? My soul on so God like the 50 land seller. On painful feet I have been hobbling, trying to make my life better. I mobilized with the hard course and the masters of the powerful, then face the veracity master. Why don't you feel pity for others when they live sorrowful life? Don't you see that children are disobedient because of hunger? That's why I'm not here for fame, but I'm here to claim for their life and future. I want to obliterate humility for the better structure. I'm pity like a man carrying an alabaster jar, just walking over the street to mobilize with the manager of the scavenger, for him to interpret the scripture, cause I am true like the flowing style of a vulture. Yeah, who am I? Wait, listen up niggas, yeah, who am I? What's up? Yeah, who am I? The 143 Pesalem. Who am I? The son of Armageddon. Who am I? South Africa, who saw people were cut ears. Who am I? Lesotho, Roma, students were killed. Who am I? 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 Yeah. Who am I? The 143 Pesalem. Who am I? The son of Armageddon. Who am I? South Africa, who some people were cut ears. Who am I? Lesotho, Roma, students were killed. Who am I? 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 Yeah. Still the T-Hub said the fear factor, even stronger than the engine of the tractor. You don't know nothing, you better ask your brother, he is sick. You better go through his tips. Can you see? He fights like they just walk the millipedes. Give me the pen and the paper, I fight to the script, the comb and the softwares. I make you the beat so tight that commercial rappers can't take it. Here I am standing, where had you been? Missing you, the English is what I feel. Prof, you are my friend, with you we make it real. Fake MCs, their skin is what we kill. They don't know us, but don't know our words. Our punchline feed them till they go to bed. Their dreams all about us, they can't forget. Yeah, my skills exist, quarters of natural and spiritual senses. They accuse and hate me for being pompous, but they don't see that I am unique like that. I can cast mutation of human psychology before bed, since I am the double helix molecule that ennotes information of creation. Yeah. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Yeah. Who am I? The 143 Pesalem. Who am I? The son of Armageddon. Who am I? South Africa, who told people were cut ears. Who am I? Lesotho, Roma, students were killed. Who am I? 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 The 143 Pesalem. Who am I? The son of Armageddon. Who am I? South Africa, who saw people were cut ears. Who am I? Lesotho, Roma, students were killed. Who am I? 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 This is the first delivery, the vocal robbery, breaking every mental defense and armory like heavy machinery. I bust like a bomb from the helicopter, mentally impalancing you like shot from the vodka. So call me the alcohol of knowledge, for I change your life skills like a college. Yo, since from high dimensions of thoughts, memories, as I wish the gathering of the hard course. My life with persistence, traveling a perpendicular orbit of flamery. From die it revises roots of dark soil into joy as I deliver my speech on public platform. Collective paths of attenuation were detected in reflection. The reality, the quantity of my content arose the germination of heart-attack felony blossomy in reaction. Training wants to enter into the cell of hell, captive for betrayal. So animosity towards our souls must be evil. Yeah. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I?